Hello everyone, welcome to SulphurSoft. Today we are going to start lecture number 9 of Python Mega Course. In this lecture, we will cover in-depth knowledge of bool data type. What is bool data type? Why this is used? And we will also see the arithmetic operation of bool data type. If we will convert the arithmetic value of true or false, what it would be. We will also cover this type of things in this video. Bool data type in Python is used to represent the Boolean value, as the name suggests. The only allowed value for the Boolean or bool data type is true or false. Bool data type is mostly used in conditional statement, while loop, or for any condition to check whether it is true or false, and after that a certain piece of block is executed based on the condition. For this purpose, bool data type is very much useful. Let's see some examples. I'm taking a variable alpha is equal to true, beta is equal to false. The true and false value of bool is written in this form. Mean T of true is capital and F of false is capital. As we have already seen in the reserved keyword video, that in reserved keywords true, false and none, these are the three keywords which are starting with the uppercase letter. Rest of the all reserved keywords are lower alphabets. Similarly, it is to emphasize that most programmers do the mistake like this. They write true and they write false like this. But these are not the correct value. Correct values are like this. I'll use an if statement. If alpha mean if true, then print we have used boolean value true. Else print we have used boolean value false. Now let's run. We have used boolean value true because we have used alpha as a conditional statement to check whether this condition is true or false. Already alpha is defined with the true value, hence this block has been executed. I am converting it into the beta. Now the false value has been executed. Bool data type is mostly useful in conditional statement. In Python, Boolean is the subclass of int class, mean true and false will be the instance of int class. Let's see and check whether they are is instance of int class or not. We will use isInstance method for this, which we have already covered in previous videos. Here we have two variables, alpha is equal to true and beta is equal to false. Let's print and check are they instance of integer class or not. IsInstance method takes two variables. First variable is checked against the second variable, that whether this variable belongs to this class or not. If this variable belongs to this class, then answer will be true, and if this variable does not belong to this class, then answer will be false. Now we are checking whether these 2 belongs to int class or not? Yes, true. These belongs to int class. So, why these belongs to int class? Because when we convert true or false into integer value, then int value of true will be 1 and false will be 0. As we have already discussed when we were on the pie chart, that bool data type is the subclass of int class, and we have also seen through the examples. When we use these Boolean values in the arithmetic operation, then true value will be converted into integer value 1 and false value will be converted into integer value 0. Mean true will be returned as 1 and false will be returned as 0. Here we have two variable. I'm going to print alpha plus beta, 1 plus 0. The value is 1. Now I am taking alpha as false. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now I am converting it to true, and this is also true. The value is true. Now I am converting it into false. I am using multiplying operator. 0. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. Hence, when we use the Boolean value in arithmetic operation, then the value of true will be 1 and the value of false will be 0. That is why it is the subclass of integer class. Thank you.